I'm Fritz Nelson here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Spain. I'm standing here with Serge of Coyote. We say Coyote.
We say coyote in French.
I see. And you are making an app and a series of products that talk about road events. Tell me about that.
Yes, we are the first community of drivers who are being able to exchange information about traffic events, about road events, and of course also about fixed and mobile speed cams.
Okay, but you're not the first. I mean, there's a lot of applications. Trapster comes to mind in the US, and that's community-based as well. You said you're the first in Europe, or?
We are the first in Europe, and what matters when you have a community like that is the reliability of the information. If you are driving from Barcelona to Madrid, you have 500 kilometers, what you want is really to have the reliable information about all the events, whether it's traffic, whether it's speed cams. With our model, which is a paying model, we think that users really contribute and care about informing each other, and we in the back have all the back office capabilities to filter and to qualify the information that's given by our users.
So how does that work? I mean, so the first filter is you pay, therefore you're probably interested, but what's the filtering that happens on the back end? How do you verify that somebody who's entered a speed trap or a speed camera, that it's actually one, or that it's even still there?
So we have a lot of, that's part of our know-how. But basically, we have a number of algorithms to qualify what we call our scouts, and we give them ratings, for example, from 1 to 3 stars, based on the fact that they report well, that they confirm an information. And of course, we will take a much better notice of an information given by a 3-star user rather than a no-star user. So that's one of the ways we qualify that. We have a number of rules that we have experienced over the last 5-6 years where we have developed this particular know-how, and therefore the information that's given to the community is super reliable.
Okay, so show us, we got it running on a tablet here. You run on multiple platforms.
Yeah, so we are available on the 5 key platforms, whether it's Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, Badad, Windows Phone. And here you see a typical screen where it gives you the state of the GPS reception, and here's the number of scouts that are in front of you. Of course, this is a very reliable information.
Is this live now? So this
is a demo so that we can see all the aspects. And here you have these 2 buttons where you are going to inform here that there's an event in the road direction you are driving, here in the other way, and here is another button that you can click to report an incident, a traffic jam, or some other type of information. And so at any time, you can be really informed of the status of all the number of scouts, of all the driving events. Here you have a map where you are going to see in front of you the number of scouts in front of you, but also the events. Here we have a mobile speed cam that's coming by, okay? So you are informed, and when it comes to you, then it's going to be reported. It gives you the speed limits that you have to drive, and then it's going to ask you to confirm that you have actually seen the speed cam. So you see, it's a very simple, intuitive way to report information, and of course it's also a road safety device.
And you have a device of your own in
yes.
addition to these,
yes.
and that's, what do you call that?
This is called the Coyote. This one is
just like the company.
Like the company. And this is more for the road runners, the heavy users, who want to have something really dedicated. They don't want to have to worry about their phone and the application. And therefore, that's a device that's really giving you the same kind of functionality, but on a dedicated device. You don't have to worry. In Europe, we have all these roaming issues also. You don't have to worry. We take care of all of that. And this is really the dedicated device. It doesn't talk about navigation. It's different from navigation. But this is really to report and inform about road incidents.
Okay, now the app costs $12 a month. That cost how much?
So this is €200 when you buy the device, and then you pay €12 per month.
Sorry, €12.
€12 per month for the service.
Okay, now can we go back to this for just 1 second? In the U.S. at least, and I'm sure around the world, there are issues with distracted driving, big topic, and I noticed there are a lot of visual cues. One of the things that people are trying to get rid of is visual cues. So how are you solving that issue?
we have different ways how to solve that. One of the things we are doing is we are talking and we are partnering with the automotive OEMs. So we have a number of discussions. We announced a few months ago a deal with Renault, who is the French car maker, where Renault is basically integrated into the dashboard our application on top of navigation in 18 countries in Europe. So that's one way we think that eventually the best user experience is going to have the application integrated into your car.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.